दोषियों को अरे जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है? भारत देश की लड़की है। अरे जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है? भारत देश की लड़की है। भारत जिंदा है। We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. दोषियों को फांसी दो। दोषियों को फांसी दो। दोषियों को फांसी दो। No duty. No duty. No duty. तेरे कातिल जिंदा है। बेनाम शर्मिंदा है। तेरे कातिल जिंदा है। बेनाम शर्मिंदा है। तेरे कातिल जिंदा है।
This protest is a continuation of our yesterday's protest that we have started at Goa Medical College. This is a peaceful protest. We are expressing our solidarity with the rest of the medical fraternity in the country who is doing the strike while not hampering the emergency services so that the justice is delivered to the victim of the RG Medical this rape and murder case.
So, Dr. you are a GMC doctor. Everyone.
There is a GMC doctor. There is some friends from dental fraternity also.
But you'll be marching from here to.
Because even IMA is having a protest.
IMA is organizing, but see, we as been guard has always have our own voice. And this incident has happened to residents, so we thought that it is our duty to protest and to show our voice as a resident doctor. It is good that IMA is organizing, but this is a separate thing.
So it will be a silent protest?
It will be a silent protest. In the way we will not be harming the general public. We will walk along the way as guided by our police, and we'll coordinate with them during the march.
Now you're marching towards
Immaculate Church, and then we'll be turning back.
पार्टिसिपेंट कौन है? कितने लोग?
इधर पार्टिसिपेंट्स मतलब हमारा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज से हैं, इंटर्न्स हैं, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं और डेंटल कॉलेज से मेडिकल
कितने हो गए?
What will be the next move of action? After this, then next what?
Next move of action is we are waiting for whatever rest of the medical fraternity is saying. There is PODA, there is MARD in Maharashtra, and there are other associations also. So we are expressing solidarity. We'll see if the justice is being delivered. If this is enough, then we will stop this strike right away. Otherwise, it will continue.
And what about the Indian Medical Federation? Are they also?
Yeah, everybody is in support. IMA has organized anyways the entire country strike today, but everybody is in support with the solidarity with the victim of the RG Medical. Are not our primary concern. Our primary concern is that justice is being delivered to the person, and after that,
Even it is about the security of doctors. That's
yeah,
why
it is the security of doctors. Yeah, all over the country. So currently, we should not stray away from our primary goal. Because everything and anything will be dealt on by the guard as it comes and went. But currently our main thing is to give the justice to the victim in Kolkata. Followed all the directives from the traffic police. We have allowed the traffic to go smoothly, and as a gathering we have arranged here. So we have had to prove a point just so that the victim gets justice as fast as possible in Kolkata rape and murder case, in solidarity with the rest of the IMA and the rest of the nation, basically. So here we are stopping the rally, and we will be continuing our protest back in Goa Medical College here after this. So we will be going, some of us will be going to the Pato Plaza where they are parking. बाकीचे आम्ही बसून घेतलंय GMC भितर, and we'll continue the protest there.
So this is nationwide.
This is nationwide protest. IMA has shut down all medical facilities, but Resident Doctor Association has been continuing the protest in the last 4-5 days. So, and we have joined them yesterday, and from yesterday we are continuing. So today this was our part, and we'll continue the protest until the justice is delivered.
So how
This we are in coordination with FODA, MARD, and the rest of the organizations that are there, and we'll take a collective call on this, and we still stand in solidarity because we are not going to give up until the justice is delivered.
केन्ना पर्यंत resume जातले म्हटलं OPDs?
OPDs resume जावपाचे. It will start as soon as possible because we also want to go back to work, get back to
We are
work.
waiting for a national resolution. आमचे central demands are, we are not demanding it from a specific authority. when all the resident associations all over India unitedly decide that we can resume our OPDs, the OPDs will be continued. This is a national solidarity event.
My name is Dr. Soumya. I am a senior resident in GMC. And this whole protest that we are doing is to show solidarity that residents cannot be taken for granted by the general public and also by anyone. We want some certain safety guidelines to be there so that we feel protected in our hospitals where we can work and give the best care to the patients. So that is all. And since such a big mishap has happened with a fellow resident, so we have not called anyone. We have just put that we are going, so everybody has come and they have extended the support by themselves. So everyone feels very deeply about this.